Hey, what's going on, everybody? My future business owners. This is a video based on vending. Those of you who are wanting to vend and looking to vend and don't know what to get started and how to get started, this video is for you. Please hit the notification button and press the like button on this video. Subscribe to the page. Sorry about that, y'all. Um, So, one of the things to think about if you're thinking about vending and you're thinking about doing business, but you're not sure what you're going to sell, what you're going to put out there. But I'm gonna tell you this: whatever decision that you make, you have to go with the long haul. You can't make a a decision and if it doesn't work for you today, then you say, "Oh, I gotta switch up," because the thing is, you're just gonna lose a lot of money that way. But understand that there are two types of things you can sell. Both are very powerful, but one may be a little bit powerful than the other, depending on your motivation on why you are want to be a vendor. If you're just doing it to make money, then you might want to choose an item. You have needs and you have wants. People buy things off of what they need. I'm a need buyer. I'm not. I don't spend too much money on things that I want. If I go to a market, it's usually to buy things that I need. However, wants are very powerful as well. Especially if you're selling. And let me explain the difference between a need and a want. A need is, I know this guy that sells socks. Everybody needs socks. Everybody needs shoes. Everybody needs something that people need every day. Is something to sell if you just really you know need money coming in. Wants is something that you can sell, and the benefits of wants is that if you sell something that somebody wants that they can't get anywhere else, they're gonna buy it. I personally now sell wants. I mean, it's a little bit of both. Uh, I need and want, but the type of merchandise I sell is stuff that you're not gonna get everywhere. So most of the time, when people see my merchandise, they go ahead and buy it right then because they say, "Oh, I never seen this before." So understand, if you're gonna get an item, then try to get something no one else has, something that makes your item different from the next vendor. But you have to decide whether you want to sell an item of need, and or a want. So, a lot of business people think about needs. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think the rapper 50 Cent he had bought vitamin water because he said everybody got to drink water. Now, you could think like that. Or, I mean, I'm an artist, so I'm passionate about what I sell, and I get a different joy. It's just not about money. I get a different joy from what I do. But, here lately, I've been real. I have to run a business, so I have to be a little bit more creative and get different things that people want on my table, and maybe sell a couple of need items in my booth as well to go along with my wants. So that's my suggestion to you guys who are thinking about vending, who are thinking about getting into business, is that if you don't know, then do research on what you think that will be profitable. Another small example is, like, I read to some maybe a few years ago that batteries are a big seller. People who sell batteries, people always buying batteries. Why? Because that's the need. We always need batteries for our remote. We always need batteries for little things around the house and little devices and everything. So just to give you an example, that's a need. That's stuff that people need. No matter what's going on, when those batteries go out on that remote, you need batteries. Period. Uh, or any other electronic or item that you have. So that's a need. A want is this T-shirt. You know what I'm saying? That's something. Or this hat. You know, I mean, I can live without the hat. I can live without this T-shirt. The thing is that it's what's on this T-shirt that that it's what's on the T-shirt that makes people wants to get it. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I hope I've helped you get an idea of the first approach you need to make to being a vendor, being a business owner. And if I gave you an idea, if I sparked you to have some interest in anything, please subscribe to my channel, like my page, and press the notification bell, and share this with friends that's talking about getting into business. I'm D Revolution. Peace.